Everybody, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. Just want to show what we're doing today with a Boxster 987 here. Actually the water pump was leaking, so we took the water pump out. The water pump was leaking from there. The tracks coming down from the pulley. So that's the old one. So the old one's plastic. The factory one's plastic, but the one we put in is metal impeller. So that's better than that one there. So if you look at the leak, it's leaking from there. It's really clear. So we got the new pump, brand new one, and we're going to install that. Sits under here. You got a lot of things you got to remove from top to take the belt off, so you can see through there, and the actual pump off properly. So drain the coolant, and after that we're going to put new coolant into actually the vehicle and bleed the system properly with the actual scan tool. And then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.